guys, it's hashtag no drama videos, and now we're doing an unboxing today of this Stanley shop vac. Let's start by opening it. Okay. Now it's open. Well, let's see what comes inside this Stanley stainless steel wet dry vacuum. Alright, so first off, it's at Walmart. Got the instruction sheet. Now, have the handle, screws on the top, have the plastic tube, another plastic tube, and then, oh my goodness, on the side. Alright, the box just pulled out. Alright, then the unit itself should just slide out. Maybe. Give a little bit of nice guidance stuff. Just gauge it out. Alright. Let's see if there's anything else in the bottom. Does there appear to be nothing? Alright, there's nothing else. Let's check it out. There could be stuff inside. Yep, got your filter. First cleaning brush, got some nice soft bristles on the back. Got your hose. It's pretty flexible. All your wheels. And then inside your canister, it's all stainless steel. Alright, let's put this sucker together now. So, first off, looks like we got some wheels. We'll start by putting those on. Let's get them open. There we go. Just pop them like so. Alright, that one's in. Take the other one, pop that one in. Huh. That would pop in right. Sorry, it's just taking it out. Alright, then the final wheel. Alright, now all our wheels are popped in. Flip the unit over. Now we have our unit. 2 latches on the side. Let's set this topper on now. Just gotta make sure it's aligned just right. So it's aligned now. Now let's take the hinges, slide it back on. 1 and 2. It's aligned. Sitting on my bed. Yep. Nice and sound. Your hose from the back. It's a blow. Suck. When you use the wet mode, you have to take out the filter so it doesn't ruin it. Cord. It's not extremely long. You might want to get an extension cord if you want to use it around the house or outside. This cute little hose just clips on the front. So there we go. Bang. Pull this up. That's a little hard. Oh, there we go. It actually just slides right in there. Locks. So when you want to take it out, just pull it out. And put it back in. Locks. Now, have your connectors. Think. Connect one, another one. Connect another one, depending on how much room you need. Then you connect the short tool on the end, so you can you know, do your vacuuming thing. Alright, put it back up here. Alright, now let's put the handle in. Looks like we're just going to need some screws. We got my screwdriver. Alright, let's open this bag again. So we're just going to set it down in there. Alright. So we'll drop the screws in. Alright. Switch it to the screwdriver bit. Start that one out. Let's get this one going in there a little bit. You don't want to get it too tight. Feel it get tight. Okay. Oh. That's good. Alright. Get this other screwdriver, the other screw bit, so it won't just fall out. That wasn't very good. Alright, now once it's nice and tight and secure, you can just check it. Looks good. Alright, that is fully assembled. The manual's here, I didn't really use it because I kind of just had an idea of how to put it together. So yeah. Alright, let's roll the clip to part 2. Back now to part 2 of the video. We're going to do well, I guess the ending part of the video. We're just going to do a review and show you how it works. Now, I've prepared a little bit of a test here to simulate an outdoor activity. So let's get to the vacuuming and try it out. Alright, let's go. Now, we did just one pass. Now let's take a look at what we got here. They did a very good job. They left some of the very fine knitted in particles, but that's to be expected. I'm a non-brush roll vacuum with no very much simulated agitation. I guess there is a little bit of simulation on this brush, but for the most part there's not a lot of simulation. So yeah, let's finish cleaning up this mess. Oh, well, only downfall I say about this vacuum is look at all that lint collected. Well, guys, look at this job. It looks very good. So overall, I would recommend this vacuum to anybody needing a cheap and easy shop vac. So that's our review for #NoDrama videos this week. So #NoDrama videos. Peace out.